Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and when my doorbell rang, or should I say my door was knocked on, man did I have a story of what I was doing. But I dropped everything and answered that door, and to my surprise, I almost fainted. DHL was there. Let's unbox and see what he brought. Today is December 1st. Look what came in the mail. I'm so excited. I don't know which one of two from Treasure Studios Art I ordered is in here, but I am super excited. Guys, it is the new packaging. I was telling Rebecca and Rachel and Peter that I was buying diamond paintings just because the packaging was so pretty. So let's see what is in here. Look how beautiful that is. Let's get it out of here. So it's nice and bubble wrapped, sturdy. What I love is it opens from the side instead of the end, so that it gives more stability to the end of the box. And it's not as smashable. Look at how beautiful that is. Rachel, you did amazing. It's so beautiful. And that's like a foil print. So it just shines and glows. It gives you 6 steps right there on the back. Oh, it's just gorgeous. There will be a sticker here to let you know what the diamond art is in the future, but they wanted to get these out so quickly that some of them won't have stickers because the stickers are on their way to the warehouse. Yes. Okay, so you get the same standard kit, the 3 different multi-placers, the white tray, you get a pink squishy, a single placer, and of course the infamous pink tweezers. They are blunt tweezers on the end. I'll show you what that is. I prefer them over the sharp for rounds, especially. This was tied to not open. There we go. So I just want to show you these tweezers right here. So they are the blunt end, you can see, versus sharp. This is a Lizzy Falcon. It is my first Lizzy Falcon, and I'm glad it came on December 1st because I was going stir crazy on what I was going to be doing, because all the collabs start today, and I was waiting for this to come, so it came on the perfect day. What did I pick? I saw this unboxed by Billy yesterday, and I was like, he and I have the same taste. I got the 40 by 80 centimeter. It is 35 colors, and it is called North Pole by Lizzy Falcon. Oh, it's just beautiful. I'm just looking at it and enjoying. I'm going to open this so you can see the picture a little bit better. Crinkle, crinkle. Alright, so there's the picture. I just love the little owl right here. Little bluebird. There's a bow with a little ivy sticking out. And then up here you've got, this says North Pole on it. And you got a little bird house. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. You do have the keys on the upper left and lower right. It is a mounting tape, which is different than poured glue or double-sided adhesive. It's sturdier, it's acid-free, and it's meant to not yellow and last longer than all of the other adhesives currently out there. This is a colored copy, so you can cut this up and put it on your storage. It shows you whether it's square or round. I chose round because I knew I was going to need to do this in a hurry. Their rounds are smaller than the rounds of other companies, but it adds extra sparkle. I'm about to do a post review of my Halloween photo, and OMG, you need sunglasses. But these colors are just vibrant and beautiful. I'm so excited to be working on this. They are bagged up with the DMC colors in here. So you can use this kit up method. I do kit up in other storage units because I tend to drop things in bags. We will see. And let me measure this real quick to show you that it's true to size. It is 40 exactly, widthwise of the drilling area. And lay this flat. It is 80 exactly lengthwise. This is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to be kitting this up and starting to work on this tonight. There's 2 collabs. Deck the Halls with TSA. It's a hashtag. And there's the DP along TSA. I'm not exactly sure of the hashtag. But those are the 2 I'm going to be using this on that start today, December 1st. Super excited! If you would like your own, there's a whole collection. I think there's like 6, 8, maybe even 10 Lizzy Falcon Christmases. There's also a whole bunch of other Christmas art on TSA's website. Use the link down below. You get an extra 15% off. And then I'm also going to be running a special. I haven't decided if it's going to be a $25 or a $50 gift card between now and December 31st for anybody to be drawn who orders using my link or my code DPGen15. So if you're ordering anyway, why not use the code? Because you may be able to get a gift card. And I just pulled the October-November gift card, and I hope you guys saw that video. I love you all. I can't wait. I'm going to be diving into this. Let me know which one you're working on for December, whether it's a TSA or some other company. I love hearing and seeing your guys' work in progress. Please post on Instagram, or you can post on Creative Craft Addictions over on the Facebook group. Love you all. Bye-bye.